Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to import AliExpress products into your Shopify store step by step. First, log in to your Shopify account. Make sure your store is set up and ready to add products. Then, you will need an app that connects AliExpress to Shopify. One of the most popular options is DSers. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for DSers. Click on the app and then click Add App. Follow the steps to install it and connect it to your Shopify store. Allow DSers to connect to your AliExpress account. Now you are ready to import products. In DSers, you will see an option called Find Products or Import Products. You can either search for products directly inside DSers or go to AliExpress and use the DSers Chrome extension. The Chrome extension is very useful because you can browse AliExpress normally and click the Add to DSers button whenever you find a product you like. After you add products to DSers, go back to the DSers dashboard. Here you can edit the product details before sending them to Shopify. You can change the title, description, price, and images. Make sure to adjust the prices so you can make a profit. When everything looks good, click Push to Shopify. The product will now appear in your Shopify store under Products. That is how you import AliExpress products to Shopify using DSers. This method saves time and makes dropshipping simple.